Another civil service exam reviewer. If A is 20% of B, then B is what percent of A? So, ang choices, 20, 80, 100, and 500%. Okay, so post nyo muna ang video, try nyo sagutan. Okay, so let's solve this. If A is 20%, A is 20% of B, so pwede tayong mag-assign ng value ni B, tapos isolve natin yung A. Kahit anong number pwede. Pero ang ililet ko dito, para madali ang computation natin, ililet ko ang B is equal to 100. Bakit 100? Kasi madaling isolve ang 20% ng 100. Okay? So, kung ang B natin, nilet natin 100, ang magiging value ni A, si A daw, is 20% of B. So, 20% of 100, so madaling isolve yan, 20% of 100, equal lang yan sa 20. Kasi yung 20%, magigilang itong 20%, magigilang yung 20 over 100, tapos multiply by 100, makakancel yung 100. Therefore, ang value ni A ay magiging 20 na lang. Okay? So ngayon, solve natin ito. Then B is what percent of A? So solve lang natin yan. B is what percent of A? So gawa lang tayo ng equation. Isa-isahin natin. B, sulat natin si B. Is means equal sign. What percent? Ito yung hinahanap natin. What percent? Lagay tayo ng kahit anong variable. N na lang ang gagamitin ko. So ito yung kailangan natin i-solve, yung N. Of means multiplication, and then we have A. So, solve lang natin yung value ng N. So, i-substitute natin yung value ni B tsaka ni A. B ay 100, so therefore we have 100 is equal to N times the value of A is 20. So, A is equal to 20. Then, solve for N. To solve for N, divide lang natin both sides by 20. So, cancel na ito, 1 na lang yan. Therefore, the value of N is equal to 100 divided by 20, that's equal to 5. So, wala sa choices yung 5 kasi kailangan, yung 5 whole number yan, kailangan i-convert natin sa percent. So, paano ba mag-convert ng percent? Whole number to percent, all we have to do is add 2 zeros and then put the percent symbol. So, 5, that is equal to 500%. So, the correct answer is letter D, 500%. So, kung meron kayong math question, i-comment nyo lang dito or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye!